Throughout Europe, fortified heritage sites form an important part of the cultural landscape. Down through the centuries, these fortresses were built to defend each of our nations, but now they themselves need our protection. The Atfort partnership was founded to help to preserve these fortresses for future generations and to develop them in accordance with the needs of the 21st century. It all started back in 2009, when the new Dutch waterline organised a European conference. The event brought us all together to examine the idea of preservation through development. Consulting with partners from all across Europe, we realised that there had to be a way to find common solutions to the problems we all faced. Our first step together was to successfully secure funding for our programme for the Interreg 4C. Then, in 2012, we had our official launch event, and from then on, it was all systems go. The first thing we needed to do was to conduct a thorough self-analysis of each participating fortress to identify the underlying issues. Once we had those nailed down in detailed reports, real work could begin. Through a series of atelier workshops at several of the participating sites, we examined a wide range of common issues, everything from conservation to communications, from maintenance to management. We consulted with experts in every field, focusing on enabling conditions, governance models, redevelopment scenarios, all working towards the common goal of facilitating the adaptive reuse of these fortresses and creating better frameworks for their use. We identified those good practices, which are the basis of our knowledge centre. Our conclusions were presented in a series of atelier reports, which we then distilled into one integration report, a concise summary of our findings. Based on these, we have made a series of policy recommendations, which we will put our full weight behind at a European level. The Atfort partnership is a testament to the power of cooperation across Europe. Working together, we can make our fortified heritage sites culturally and financially viable for generations to come. Oh, and by the way, this is the start of the Atfort project, not the end. Come and join our network and help us protect our fortified heritage sites. Their future is in our hands.